Hi, my name is Cameron Kabatting, and today we're going to be talking about CINEWHOOPS, the aircraft that we use more than any other on our professional shoots. So let's talk about why you'd want a CINEWHOOP on a professional production. Two of the critical things that you need to have is a high definition camera and the ability to fly safely for a long period of time. So these drones right here, both of them can carry HD cameras. They're very fast and controllable and very stable. Both of these drones are small, they've got the ducts for safety, and they're capable of making you and your clients feel safe. This drone will do all of that. One of our favorite drones to use is the Pavo 25 V2. One of the reasons why we like to fly this drone is it carries the DJI O3 Air unit. This allows us to get an HD view in our goggles, which allows us to be more precise when we're flying. Another cool feature about this CINEWHOOP is that it has these prop guards and ducts that go around the propellers to protect from impact, making this drone very safe. At our most recent professional production, the 9/16 Super Sunday event, we had a couple of different choices between different CINEWHOOPs. We could have used the CINBOT 30 with its full-size GoPro and its superior speed capabilities. However, we decided to go with the lighter and quieter Pavo. It has a naked GoPro on here, which has the same image quality. However, it is lighter, allowing us to feel even safer when flying near our clients and making them feel more comfortable. At the event, we had two pilots who were flying. Me and Zach both had to coordinate with each other so that way we weren't stepping on each other's signals and that we weren't knocking each other out of the air as we were flying around. Not only that, but we had a VO who was out coordinating with other pilots to ensure that our airspace was clear. Overall, this drone's ease of use and the pre-production work that we put in allowed us to get some really fantastic shots, and we just had a great time at Super Sunday. One neat trick about our Pavo over here is that it has some RGB IC COB LEDs, which enable it to do this. This drone is primarily used indoors, around people, and through small gaps, allowing for the most dynamic FPV footage. You'll find CINEWHOOPS flying through festivals, hotels, you'll find them at sporting events, and you'll find them giving home tours. It can do all of this, making it the most versatile platform. Thank you so much for watching our video. I hope you've learned a lot about how we use CINEWHOOPS on professional productions. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And please tell us what CINEWHOOP you plan on buying in the comments section below. And we'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching our video.
Thank you so much for watching our video.
Guys, thank you so much for coming to our video. We had a fantastic time with you guys being with us today. Please like, subscribe, smash that bell icon, and subscribe for more.
You done blown out my mic.
Is that what you want?